Our temptations aren't exceptional, unique, or even unbearable. Satan wants us to think that no one else can understand our struggles. This is a lie. One of the devil's best weapons is isolation. The truth is that we are never alone in our fight. The comfort of Paul's message in this verse finds its source in 3 words: God is faithful. Our confidence in the midst of temptation lies not in our own finite abilities, but in a faithful and powerful God who never encounters anything he can't resolve. God provides assurance that each temptation will be in proportion to the capability of the tempted. Furthermore, we have the promise of a way of escape.